Right, let's see, moment of truth. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely Sunday so far. I've been having a bit of I don't know, I don't want to say a bad Sunday, but you know when you have one of those days where you're not doing anything all day, you've got loads of things you want to do, but you're just sort of not in a good mood and do none of them. That is the day that I've had so far. So I thought, what better to do than try out something that I've been wanting to try for ages. So I'm back today with one of my favourite types of videos. I'm going to be trying something random that I bought off Amazon. So if you've seen my Amazon stick on veneers videos or Amazon fringe video, then you'll know what I'm talking about. So I have bought 4D eyebrow tattoo stickers off Amazon, and in today's video I'm going to be testing them and seeing if they're actually any good. They are called 4D Hair Like Authentic Eyebrow Tattoo Stickers, waterproof, long-lasting, false tattoos, peel off instant eyebrows for women. And you could get them in either light brown or black, and I got them in black because I feel like my eyebrows are closer to black anyway than light brown. This is what they look like when they come straight out of the Amazon parcel. Now if these work, this is going to be like an absolute game changer because my eyebrows are basically non-existent. I've got like half an eyebrow. So these were $8.99 and you get 9 sheets, and every sheet is like a different style, I think. But yeah, if these work, I will actually be so happy. Okay, so when you take it out, it's just like loads of different styles of eyebrows. So I think you're meant to like pick the one that is best for you. All of these are like kind of thick compared to mine. I think these ones, this like final one, is probably closest to my eyebrow shape. I'll just show you it. So this is the one that I'm gonna use. I feel like that's pretty similar to my eyebrow shape. Also, if you are a subscriber, you will see that I have changed my hair up. So I've gone for this like, I don't really know what colour, it's kind of like an ash, like brown / blonde, and I've had a big chop. So I got this done last week and I absolutely love it. I've never had my hair like this before, so yeah, I do really like it. So there's not actually instructions like with the eyebrows, like it doesn't come with instructions, so I'm gonna have a look at what it says on Amazon. 1. Clean the eyebrows with water and cut out the eyebrow style you want to use. 2. Remove the transparent protective film, and then you basically stick it on your eyebrow and put water on it. Okay, well, here's nothing. So I'm going to show you now as well what my natural eyebrows are like. They're literally non-existent, and when I say non-existent, like you'll see like right now, because I'm going to rub off half of it from here is just drawn on. So yeah, you will see why I need, look at that. This is why I need these tattoos to work. So yeah, my natural eyebrow, basically, I got microblading, which you can kind of see there, but I don't really like my natural eyebrow shape. It's too pointing down. I feel like it makes my eye kind of like more closed off, because I think my eyes are quite hooded anyway, so then when my eyebrow like points down, I just feel like it, yeah, it's not good. But here's the big reveal again this side. See if we can do it in one swipe. Magic! It's gone! But yeah, I would be amazed if this works. I mean, from my past experience with the veneers, if you haven't watched that video, I'll put it in the description because that's probably the funniest video I think I've ever done. And then the fringe, again, like the first one that I tried was just an absolute fail. If you haven't watched those and you're having a bad day, I'd suggest you watch them because they're quite funny. Basically, I just look like an absolute idiot in both of them, but it is what it is. Just gonna get another cotton pad and just like dry that. Okay, so as you can see, my natural eyebrows are non-existent. Zoom in so you can see properly. There's literally none. Like, where is the eyebrow? It just ends. And then the same again that side. So if this works, I'll be so happy. So yeah, this is the shape that I've picked out. It says step number 1, yeah, clean the eyebrows, which I've done, and cut out the brow style you want to use. Okay, so I'm just going to cut down the middle of this. Remove the transparent protective film and then place the front of the eyebrow tattoo sticker in the right place and gently press it with your hand to keep it in place. Wet all the eyebrow stickers with water. Remove the wet paper after a few seconds. Okay, so I'm removing the protective film and then I'm gonna stick it. Oh, so it's double-sided like this, so you can see, I think, where... That's still super hard. Like, that is hard to see what you're doing. Okay, I'm gonna have to look in the mirror because that's really hard. Okay, so there, directly above there, like there. Okay, I'm pressing. And then I've got water on this cotton pad. I'm gonna press it. If this works, I'm getting that all over my hair, but if this works, oh my gosh, wouldn't this be like a, why is it so high up, please? I feel like the arch is way too high, but it's too late now because I've done it, but I feel like that arch, yeah, is just too high. It only said to leave it for a few seconds. Oh my god, it's fallen, let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? I've got like a double eyebrow situation, but all I will say is that that looks quite realistic. I know this is obviously not where I wanted it, but it does look quite realistic. Okay, what I'm going to do actually is just tear that off. Try it again with maybe one that just goes more straight. Yes, this one. So I'm going to try it again with this one that just goes more straight across. I'll just show you next to this one. So this is the one I just tried, which is way too curved, and this is one that goes straight across. So I am hopeful. Take 2, ladies and gents. First time is a test, so we can let that slide. And try again for time number 2. Okay, I'm feeling way more confident about this because it seems like it's way more like what my normal shape would be. Like here would be right. Yes, that seems about right to me. So let me get the water and stick that on. It said just hold for a few seconds. So I'm holding and I'm hopeful. Thing is that I don't want to like move it, and I think last time I definitely moved it wrong. I don't feel like it was pressed on properly. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Okay, the front just needs to be like put on, but apart from the alright, I've torn the front off. The front has come off, but oh my god. Look at that. As if that has worked. I'm in shock. Let me zoom in. Okay, so it's very shiny. Very, very, very shiny. And it's not perfect, but that's way better. Like, if you look at that compared to that, that's crazy, right? Okay, let's try the other side. I need the mirror. I just dropped the mirror because I was so excited. I actually can't believe that's actually stuck on. That is crazy. I did not think it would stick on at all. Wow. I think the best thing to do is like hold it with the cotton round and don't, what I was doing before, I was like pressing it and rubbing it along, and I feel like that does not like help. Right, let's see, moment of truth. Oh my god. I'm so shocked. What the? Oh. I'm sorry, they look so good. As if they actually worked. That is a joke. And that literally, I stuck it on for like 1 second on each side. And now I've got eyebrows. I'm going to put somewhere, maybe here or wherever works, like what my normal eyebrows look like. So you can see it next to this. I'll try to put it here actually. If I do a side by side of me when I was talking about the eyebrows, I'll put it here and you'll be able to see. But what the hell? I can't believe that. The only thing is, obviously, this one is not perfect, but I feel like I was still learning. This one is like, oh my gosh, and it was so easy and quick. The only thing is they're like a little bit shiny, so I don't know what you can do to get rid of that shine. I think I might try, I'll come back now. I'll zoom out a little bit. I can't stop looking in the viewfinder. I'm like in shock that this actually worked. Oh my god. So to get rid of the shine though, what I'm going to do is put a little bit of my Cotier Spun Loose powder just on this little brush and see if that helps get rid of that shine at all, because that's the only thing that I think looks a bit, yeah, weird. Just gonna see. Okay, I would say don't put the loose powder on. Putting the loose powder on, I think, has made it, I don't know, like, it's kind of clung to the tattoo, I feel like, a little bit. I'm gonna try it on this side. Yeah, I wouldn't put the loose powder on because it has made it look a bit, it's still shiny, but it's made it a bit paler, and then it's kind of clung to the tattoo. But oh my god, I can't believe that, guys. I'm actually so impressed. Yeah, this is the first, oh, I'm zooming in instead of zooming out. This is the first thing that I've actually bought off Amazon that has worked for me and actually done what it said it was going to do. Wow. Okay, so overall, you get 9 different sheets, but they all have a different like eyebrow shape, so you only really are going to use the one that suits you. And then for each like page you get 10, so it's basically 10 wears out of them. The cost for them is $8.99. Would I buy this again, or will I use them again? I don't know, it's really hard to say. Maybe I would. I don't know. I say this a lot though. I say I would and then I don't. I think, to be honest, if you're looking for something super quick and it's for like at home, if you're on like Zoom calls or like doing like virtual school or something, like I would definitely recommend these, because I just put my eyebrows on in about 2 seconds per eyebrow. It was like 5 seconds in total. So yeah, I think in person it is a bit shiny, but if you just need something quick whilst you're going on calls and stuff at home, I would 100% recommend these. So yeah, I got them from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, and if you want to try these, I would recommend trying them. I'm so impressed with these guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again next week.